So a couple years ago, I started backing a product on Kickstarter. It's my second product I ever backed on Kickstarter. And it's called the Faro Unit 1. It's a new kind of bike helmet, and I just received it in the mail. I guess they have a couple of different models. The model I got was called the Maverick, or the color I got was called the Maverick. And I'm unboxing it. It's the first unboxing video I've ever done, so forgive me. There's the logo and the company name. There's the color. So the cool thing about this helmet is that it's got lights, it's got signal lights, it's got brake lights, and all built into the helmet. This is the brake light and the running light. This is a signal button that I can put on my bike that can signal the turn signals on the helmet. And there's the color I got. My favorite color is blue, so I got the closest thing to blue I could find in their options. Comes with the user manual. I got an optional signal lights in the Kickstarter, so this was optional that I bought. This is charging cable. Pretty hardcore. This is a headlight on the front. This is the brake light, and in this is the turn signals. So when you hit the turn signal here with this on your bike, your turn signals will pop up over here. I'll put a link to some videos up in my post. Here is the turn signal. So this is the turn signal that straps to your handlebar. Has a couple of O-rings or straps.